Friends, I want to show you the book boxes that I created using some of the goodies that I received from my Journal Junk Box subscription box. I have done an unboxing video, which I will attach in my description box. And I want to thank Journal Junk Box for allowing me to review their products. You guys saw in the beginning of the video the boxes that I had. I covered them with book page, and then I covered that with napkin. And this is the result. Then I added lace. I added these pretty little embellishments. You can see some flowers. And on this one, I added the butterfly from the Journal Junk Box sticker kit. So when we open it up, oh, and did I mention I painted? Obviously I painted this. And what I did is I added the paint, a metallic sort of charcoal color, and then I wiped it with a napkin. And then here's the inside, and you can see so I put the napkin in and then I sanded it with sandpaper so that like right there's just a little bit of that napkin on the side, and see on the bottom it's kind of, and on the side there it's kind of like, it looks torn. So it gives it that, this is a happy look, but it also gives it a little bit of a rustic look at the same time. And I really love how it turned out. Now I have more to show you. I actually made 5 in total. 2 are Christmas, so I didn't get to use the items from the Junk Box Journal. But on these 3 that I'm going to show you, I'll show you the Christmas ones a different time. But on these 3 I'm going to show you. So same, book, then napkin, but on this one I added some fabric under here with words on it, and then I added this beautiful vintage doily. And then from the Junk Box journal kit I had this butterfly, I had this feather. These are 2 real feathers from my mom's chickens, but this is one of the feathers from the kit, from the sticker pack or the die cut pack. And then this is an item also from the die cut pack that I popped up on tape. I don't think, well, you can tell a little bit if I hold it like that. So I popped that up so it's kind of, you know, sticking up. And then of course I added this pretty flower. Here's the back. Didn't do much on the back. Painted this in a gold metallic all the way around. And then when we open this one up, I did the same thing. I tore the paper, sanded it with my sandpaper, went over it with the gold metallic paint, wiped it down with the napkin, and here's the result that we have. I love it. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, so we have one more. So same, book, then napkin, then let me show you the back before I go into it. So this is what it would look like with just the book and the napkin, which is a fantastic look. Oh, and I got a little paint drip right there, which I did not realize that, but that's okay. So let's take a look at the spine. I had this trim. It's very unique, unusual trim. In my mind, it is anyway. So then I added these flat backs, and then I used that same trim around where the spine would be. I used this, which is a whole beautiful piece that's on the very bottom. And then I put this piece on from them, but I popped it up on like the tape. Then I added these flowers. These were given to me by my friend Crystal. And then I added a little bow here. And then you can see all the flat backs that I put on here. So when we open this one up, similar to the other one, a different piece of paper inside, but it's similar. I did the same technique with the tearing and then the sanding and then going over it with my gold paint and then wiping it down with the napkin. That way it just kind of looks aged, you know. So I really hope that you like these. I really enjoyed the box that they sent me. I have to tell you that and I mentioned it before, but the items are incredibly high quality. They're name brand items that they send, and I thoroughly enjoyed working with them. I hope that you guys like my boxes, and I'll show you the Christmas ones in a different video. Well, thanks for watching. See you soon.